Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing well. This is the reading for Scorpios for the month of July 2020 in their love matters, and I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left I have spread your cards, and on my right I have spread your person's card in your current love situation. Okay, and this is the reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. Cross watchers are also welcome. Just remember, the energy can be vice versa, so take whatever resonates. And this is a general reading for Scorpios. Okay, so it may not resonate with everyone. So let's start with your reading, Scorpios, for the month of July 2020, and we will clarify side by side wherever needed. Okay, so let's start. Scorpios, in your recent past, what I'm seeing is that you have been dealing with some sort of disappointment in your life for some time long. Okay, whatever you thought about your love life, you have not received it till now, and you have been disappointed every time. So maybe this is the energy you have been driving with you till now, but at present I'm seeing that you have met someone new in your life with the King of Hearts energy, and you are dating. You may many of you may have met this person already, or some of you will meet them now, and they will start a new feeling in you. Okay, and you will start feeling like, yes, you can also have love, right? And you can have love, and this love can be successful. So you are feeling like that because of this person's entry in your life, and this person is really a generous soul for you. Okay, you think that you can trust this person, and this person is really mature to deal with emotions. They are not playing, they are here to stay with you, and you are really falling in love with them. Okay, so this is the present energy, and I think this is a really good energy for you, Scorpios. In your immediate and near future, what I'm feeling is that this connection is really very powerful, and it is attracting a lot of people. Okay, when you both are going together outside, or maybe to some work or to some study together. Okay, and people are noticing you, both of you. Okay, and they're talking about you, and you're getting, you both are getting popular in your own specific areas. Okay, or in the environment you're staying with. So this connection is really powerful, not only for you, both of you, but I'm feeling that the other people are also noticing you both. Okay, and they are talking about the two of you, that maybe you two are dating, or you two are moving in together. So all this stuff is going on because this magnetic connection you two have cannot be avoided. Okay, from the people's eye. Okay, so let's move on to your person's reading, Scorpios. So what I'm feeling here is that your person also, like you, had moved from disappointment to this good connection. Your person had also dealt with something toxic in their relationship in their past. Okay, and they were really giving in their relationship in the past, while they didn't receive all that which they gave. Okay, or maybe they didn't receive even a small percentage of what they gave. Okay, so they are a really giving person, and they like to keep their person or a partner really happy, joyful, satisfied, and they really they are such a caring and loving person, but they didn't receive anything in their past. So they were also disappointed with their relationship in the past, and the problem which arises because of this traumatic past experiences is that they are quite skeptical about you. Okay, so they are not really trusting you. So there are trust issues, and they have their guards up. They don't want anyone else to take them for granted, just like whatever happened with them in the past. Okay, so they are really moving slowly, and they are skeptical about you. They are just they are checking all your places. They are really checking on you at every aspect, at emotional aspect, how you think, how you behave, how you treat them, how you treat others, like all that stuff. Okay, so that they can decide if they can trust you and they can take this relationship forward. Okay, so I think you will need a lot of patience here, Scorpios, because and I really feel that you will understand this, because you two have a similar past experiences, and I don't think it will be difficult for the both of you to give the needed space to each other so that you can trust and build this relationship. Okay, so this is what you need to keep in mind. And what I see in the immediate future is that although right now your person is not so willing and so trusting, but what I see in the immediate and near future, that when you will show them that you are in this relationship to stay and not to play. Okay, and when you will start giving them, okay, I think they will open up their hearts for you, and you both will, I see a really passionate love relationship here. Okay, you guys are going to be crazy for each other. Okay, so some a relationship in which one gets sick when other gets sick, so it will be like that. Okay, so what I feel is that you will be able to connect emotionally, spiritually, physically, at every level. I think this person will be your soulmate. Okay, and you are their soulmate. So this will be a really passionate relationship between the two of you. Okay, so but yes, it will need time and space so that a beautiful relationship can build on a beautiful foundation. Okay, because if you will hurry up and if you'll try to fasten the process, then I think that this person will not be able to put their guards down. Okay, and the result can be something different. So I hope this relationship needs a lot of love, nurturing, patience. Okay, and it will be a real success. So let's take some guidance from the universe and divine over this connection. Okay, for you Scorpios in your love life for July 2020. So what's the message for Scorpios in their current connection from universe and divine? Okay, so the card of Hangman. Okay, so this is the real, and I think the same message you received, Scorpios. Okay, so you have Hangman is something like you have to be really optimistic. Okay, that this is gonna happen, but it will need time and you need patience. So you are patiently waiting, optimistically waiting. You are not losing hope, and you are working selflessly for this person to open up, because you know that this has a great potential. Okay, so Hangman is the message for you Scorpios for the month of July 2020. Okay, so you need to keep this optimism. Okay, you know in your heart that this is your soulmate. So I think this is a really beautiful message for you, what I already told you in the spread, Scorpios. I hope you enjoyed your reading. great love is coming for you guys. Okay, so I think we will end here. Look for my next video, and till next video, just take care of you and everyone else. God bless you. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up, share, likes, leave comments, and subscribe to my channel for further videos. So here it ends, Scorpios. Bye bye.